What's up YouTube, this is your boy G back in another video. Today we're just gonna quickly talk about Samsung's S22 Ultra. That's right, S22 Ultra. That's the newest, the latest flagship from Samsung that is about to be released or announced next month. Now there's a very interesting news and rumors roaming around, right? So we all know that Samsung has always been releasing their flagship, their phones, when in a split configuration, right? Some of the parts of the world are getting the Exynos variant, which is kind of like a little bit weaker than the other one, which is the Snapdragon. Now on the S22 Ultra or S22 lineup, it was rumored that it will feature the Exynos 2200 with AMD's RDNA 2, kind of like the same with PS5 and Xbox, right? It made me excited, as a matter of fact. And then the other one is, the Snapdragon variant will be released to United States, right? It's I believe the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. But there was some news just recently, about 7 hours ago, about 8 hours ago, that the Exynos variant, the Exynos 2200, is now cancelled. The Snapdragon variant or the Snapdragon chipset is the one that will be widely used, will be used anywhere in the world. I hope this is true though, because we all know that the Snapdragon has been better, right, for many iteration of Samsung's flagship phones already. Snapdragon is always the king. But if you will actually check on Ice Universe tweet here, this is just about 7 hours ago. So there's somebody in the name of Ahmed Quader, right? So he said here that satisfying users and after state of anger on Exynos and Exynos 2200 copies were canceled, right? That's big. Exynos 2200 copies were cancelled for the phone, for this Galaxy S22, and now the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 for Galaxy 22 Ultra will come in all countries for the world. But it will be announced in the future, because we all know there's supposed to be an event, right? Like a Samsung Unpacked event last January 11, although it was just rumored, by viable sources. But it's already January 14, January 13, and Samsung is no show. Basically, Samsung did not arrive or did not talk about anything last January 11. And as a matter of fact, recently, about 10 hours ago, from Korea, right, from South Korea, there was actually a rumor, or there was actually like an interview that was answered, from Samsung, claiming that the chip, the Exynos 2200, is still good, right? So what they said here is that Exynos 2200 will be launching alongside the Galaxy S22, and seemingly overriding the original rumor that again it was canceled. But this is about 10 hours ago. And about 7 hours ago, 8 hours ago, Ice Universe is retweeting this one, saying that European Samsung users will be too excited to sleep tonight. So I don't know, it's really confusing right now, but one thing is for sure, I'm very excited on Samsung S22 Ultra. I'm using S20 Ultra myself with the focus issues, as we all know, and I'm super excited to get this S22 Ultra already. I thought AMD RDNA 2 will be fine, but if it's performing less as the other rumors and leaked suggested, then I'm all for the Snapdragon. Finally, for Philippines, we'll be able to experience a Snapdragon if this rumor is really true. Let me know down in the comments, what have you heard so far? Do you think that Samsung will really release Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 worldwide? So that's like US, Europe and everything, because before their Snapdragons just for US market, and then for their Europe and everything else is Exynos, like minus Exynos. Let me know down in the comments below what your opinions on this one, or if you have any information or any further leaks, just go ahead and discuss below. But yeah, that's all for today. That's a quick information on S22 Ultra, right? Again, Snapdragon everywhere. But that's all for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe and see you on my next one. Peace.